I want to talk to you today about a question that I often face, and that is what not to say when you're pulled over, when you're talking to the police at the side of your vehicle, for example. It is important that you do engage with the police. They have a job to do, and they have questions to ask, and they need some answers. Otherwise, you're going to appear to be needlessly difficult. It is important that you realize that you don't want to talk too much. You want to tell them the answers that they need. For example, they're going to ask you for your driver's license, ownership, and insurance. Okay? Those things we have an obligation to provide, and you should work towards providing them to the officer in a very timely manner. Usually what happens, and should not, frankly, is that when you're at the side, when they are at the side of your vehicle, you want to try to explain whatever may have happened. And an interesting example is, I had a client one time that was pulled over for the simple error of speeding, all right? But he was so filled with concern about another issue that was going on that the officer frankly had no idea. He simply thought he was getting pulled over because he didn't have insurance, which is a very serious charge. So my client starts to tell the officer about why he didn't have insurance. And the net result of that is now he has a speeding charge and a no insurance charge. When had he just remained quiet, he probably would have simply got a minor speeding ticket with nothing to worry about. So that's a solid example of why you want to remain calm and just deal with the questions that the officer asks you, and always be polite and try to be professional. Whatever happens, it's not a good time to try to talk out of that ticket. There is this instinct among clients, probably among all of us, that, well, if I can just explain at this point in time, I should be able to get out of the situation that I'm in. And I can tell you that's probably the worst mistake that you can make. So again, be quiet, provide just the information that you need to, answer the questions, and be respectful. Thank you for taking the time today to watch our video. We are dedicated in providing you the information that you will need to make a good decision. If you're in need of a free consultation, please take the time to contact us.